Welcome to Nash Rich. Are you ready to revolutionize your kitchen experience? Today we're showcasing 10 incredible kitchen gadgets designed to save you time, enhance your cooking, and bring a touch of innovation to your daily routine. From prepping fruits and veggies to making gourmet meals, these gadgets are a game changer for every kitchen. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more amazing finds that simplify your life and elevate your kitchen game. Corn strippers say goodbye to the messy and tedious task of stripping corn kernels from the cob. This gadget is engineered with precision blades to cleanly and effortlessly remove kernels. Whether you're prepping for soups, salads, or snacks, this tool gets the job done in seconds, saving you time and effort. It's a must-have for corn lovers and those who appreciate kitchen efficiency. Zulay Premium Apple Corer. Transform the way you prep apples with this premium apple core. Designed for simplicity and speed, it removes the core in one swift motion, leaving you with perfectly cored apples for your desserts, snacks, or smoothies. Whether you're baking a pie or just preparing healthy lunches, this tool is your ultimate companion for quick and hassle-free preparation. Avocado Slicer avocado lovers, this one's for you. This versatile gadget is a triple threat. It slices, pits, and scoops with ease. No more messy hands or wasted avocado. It's perfect for creating picture-perfect avocado toast, guacamole, or salad toppings. With this tool, every cut is precise, making it a must-have for avocado enthusiasts. 3-in-1 Peeler. This 3-in-1 peeler is a multitasking marvel for your kitchen. It handles peeling, julienning, and slicing with unmatched efficiency. Whether you're prepping carrots, cucumbers, or potatoes, this gadget adapts to your needs. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, making it the ideal choice for quick and precise vegetable prep. Popcorn Popper. Take your movie nights to the next level with a popcorn popper that delivers fresh, fluffy popcorn in just minutes. Forget pre-packaged bags. This gadget gives you full control over ingredients and flavor. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and adds a fun touch to any gathering or family night. Enjoy healthier, tastier popcorn right at home. Pizza Cutter Wheel. Reimagine pizza night with the compact yet powerful Kitchy pizza cutter wheel. Its ergonomic handle and razor-sharp blade glide through crusts effortlessly. Whether you're dealing with thin crust, deep dish, or flatbread, this handy tool ensures precise, mess-free slices every time, making it a staple for any pizza lover's kitchen. GreenSaver Herb Keeper. Tired of throwing away wilted herbs? The GreenSaver Herb Keeper is here to keep your greens fresher for longer. Its innovative design creates the perfect environment to preserve herbs like cilantro, parsley, and mint. Say goodbye to wasted produce and hello to vibrant, flavorful dishes with herbs that last days longer than usual. Advanced Oil Sprayer. Elevate your cooking with the Advanced Oil Sprayer. Whether you're grilling, baking, or sautéing, this tool gives you precise control over the amount of oil you use. It's perfect for evenly coating pans or seasoning dishes without the mess of pouring from a bottle. Healthier cooking and better flavor control are just a spray away. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. This vegetable chopper is a kitchen powerhouse that saves you time and effort. With interchangeable blades, it chops, dices, and slices in seconds, making meal prep a breeze. From onions to tomatoes, this gadget takes the hassle out of cutting vegetables. Its compact design makes it easy to store, making it ideal for any kitchen size. Dream Cooker. Imagine having a gadget that combines multiple cooking methods into one compact device. The Dream Cooker is exactly that. It allows you to steam, boil, fry, or slow cook with ease, making it perfect for preparing gourmet meals without the need for multiple appliances. It's versatile, efficient, and designed for those who love experimenting in the kitchen. And there you have it, 10 must-have kitchen gadgets to make your life easier, your meals tastier, and your time in the kitchen more enjoyable. If you loved this lineup of innovative tools, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest and greatest kitchen finds. Thanks for watching Nash Rich. We'll see you in the next video.